Good morning! Pangit boses ko. Today, I'm gonna show you my morning routine, what I do every morning, so that you will not gain weight and meron din siyang mga health benefits. Okay. I always drink a glass of water before you drink anything else. Water fires up your metabolism. It hydrates you. It helps your blood flush out toxins and gives you brain fuel, and even may make you eat less. Excuse me. It's also one of the secrets behind a glowing skin. Maunang, grabe ka makainom ng water kami ni Joem. I don't drink powdered juice and I don't drink soft drinks anymore. After drinking tubig, kabuhat ko og kape.
Coffee can improve energy levels, coffee can help you burn fat, and coffee can improve physical performance. And coffee is the biggest source of antioxidants.
Guys, kani akong paborito ay ginapalit na ko ni sa SNR. This type of coffee is not acidic. That's why I like it. Ayan guys. So I found out na there's a lot of types of coffee. Merong mataas yung acidity. Nalaman ko yun mahilig ako mag-Starbucks before. Yun yung mga brewed coffee na beans, you buy them. Meron dun Komono Drago. Menu nila, na-added to ang iba-ibang, kita ninyo mo dito kung unsa ka kusog, unsa ka hinay, then unsa ka taas sa acidity. Ay, dito na ko na, dili di ita na kape acidic. Magkuha sa kong tubig.
Apple cider vinegar lowers blood sugar levels and fights diabetes. It helps you lose weight by making you feel full. Also lowers your cholesterol.
Yan, 1 tablespoon of vinegar with water. I get my honey. So if I get my honey, 1 tablespoon din. Then sinasabay ko siya para malasan yung, di ba asim ang apple cider? But it really helps you lose weight and makes your metabolism faster.
Honey boosts your immune system. It helps you lose weight.
Yun. Tananan! Clumsy jud ko ba? Ayan. So, ang ginagawa ko, you can mix it together. It tastes like apple juice, but depende sa trip mo because same lang naman din. It goes to your tummy. So, kani, what I do, So, pag anak na ko kay tamis man, inumon dahil na ako aslo. This one, I drink the virgin coconut oil, guys. Yes, you got that right. So, 1 tablespoon din.
Helps you burn more fat din. It can reduce hunger, helping you eat less. Can help you lose fat, especially your abdominal. Make sure it's pure, madami ng fake ngayon.
I can smell the coffee now. Kuya. Okay. So guys, I'm going to edit right now because naging work ko na talaga siya. Salamat kaayo sa tanan na nagatanaw. Kape. So brewed coffee is my best friend. Di na ko kaya o ay na ay sugar and creamer. I like it brewed. Pero it started muna may creamer, may sugar, then nag-change na lang yung taste buds ko. You know, people change, char. Pero totoo, people change. Dalawa lang yan eh. People change for the good or for the bad. So, I think mas okay maging good. Yan, reply time. Mo ni among pagkaon for today. Pescatarian is for me, and skinny down is for my love. That's for the whole day. My snack, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Seryoso, pakita ko yan. Sa video. Oh, sexy body. How to stay fit. Ito na tawag ay. Ginataan. Isda na may brown rice. Kay dudong, manok. Ginataang manok with brown rice. Thank you for watching, my love.
Always watch.
Thank you. I take 1,000 mg, isang coenzyme, fish oil, and then Dodong Fix B complex, except for me. Okay.
Kulang ng vitamin D pa.
Yeah, wala ng vitamin E. Ay! Bitaw no. Then, this is the garlic. Nabasag ko yung bote, pero hindi siya nakaspill kasi yung basag niya crack. Pero tinapon ko na kasi baka lalo siyang makrack. That's why I put it in the Tupperware para safe. Then, sa gabi, we take this collagen. Bago lang jud ko ligo, guys. Nakamute ni karon kay nag-play ko og copyright na song, di ko ganan maban. This is Nature Skin Secrets Black Almond Facial Wash. Try natin kung ano ang feeling.
Oh, it's minty. Oh, this is Nature Skin Secrets Detox Mask with Black Combo. Five minutes ni guys. It's also minty, kaya di na ko gihuman ha. Pero pwede nyo human kung sanay mo sa mint. The Nature Skin Secrets Activated Charcoal plus Whitening Soap. Mucha ha?
Guys, meron din akong pag-giveaway sa aking Instagram about Philippine-made plus all-natural nature skin secrets. So, if you want to try these products, pwede na mo mag-appeal. Appeal na mo para kay last day na nako magpa-giveaway.
For this week,
Salamat kaayo sa pagtanaw. Salamat kaayo. May pahabol. So guys, pag nagugutom ako sa hapon, instead of nagakaon ko, I drink this green superfood. So it's a alkalizing, energizing plant-based nutrition, vegan, gluten-free, and kosher. And it's a whole food supplement. Ayun. Tapos, it contains fruits and vegetables. So, it's like a green juice. Show you. Paano siya?
Sa SNR ni mapalit. Okay. Lamay siya pagdugnaw ang tubig ni mo. Sarap. Mao lang to. Babay ulit. Salamat kaayo.